To make this chicken, I want to start by marinating it. And to do that well, I need to cross hatch it, which is kind of like this. And then same on the other side. I'm gonna add about a half of a cup of chili oil. Really good stuff. To make the rough pesto that's gonna go over our chicken, I just need to very roughly chop some arugula. Then I need to do the same for my roasted red peppers. These are right out of a jar. I need to do the same for some pistachios, give it a little bit of crunch. Those go in. Let's see. Now I need just a tiny pinch of salt and about a tablespoon of olive oil. A wee squeeze of honey. Then I'm going to grate in some garlic. Got a clove here. Here's the interesting thing. These are currants that I've soaked in a tablespoon of rice vinegar. Helps them to plump up a little bit. You can use pretty much any dried fruit, but this is the rough pesto that's going to go with this. All right, here's my chili garlic sauce marinated chicken. It's kind of like the chili crisp garlic sauce. You can use whatever you want, but look how amazing that looks. I sauteed it, let it set for about 10 minutes, let it cool off, let all the juices go back into the chicken, and tender, juicy, steamy. And then the kicker is it goes with this lovely chopped arugula pesto. It's arugula, roasted red peppers, some pistachio, currants or raisins, whatever, that I've marinated in just a little bit of rice vinegar, and holy moly, it's so good. And so just a little bit of the chicken, and you serve this pesto over it. Wow, look at that. It is a flavor bomb. Spicy, fresh, and vibrant. Check out the recipe. It's on 2kfoodie.com.